I want to discuss something which is quite important for all of you. As beginners in research, those who have recently enrolled into their PhDs in several universities across India, all of you face a common issue when you enroll into PhD program, that you are not aware of how to go about, where to start, what needs to be done. And when you approach your mentors, your guides, of course they are there to help you out and they do help you out, but they don't have sufficient time as they are engaged in their own duties and responsibilities, uh, so that they can make you understand, sit beside you, tell you the process step by step, how to go about doing a PhD. As PhD is not a regular academic program wherein everything is taught to you and you appear for the exams. Once you clear the exams, you get the degree or the certificate. It is more to do with your own passion and interest of how much you want to explore, how much you want to learn, how much depth you want to go into your topic which interests you, which you want to know, which is your specialization. The next thing is that people often are confused that what type of study should I undertake, because you have to present a proposal, a synopsis in front of the committee to get it approved. And only if the proposal is approved by the committee, the PhD committee of your university, then you go ahead and start working on your study. So this topic selection is quite very important. Often people are driven by their desires, their interests on a particular topic, which seems to be quite fascinating to them. But later on they realize that this topic is not a workable topic. It is not a feasible topic. And the objectives framed for that topic might not be easily achieved. So, it is very important to know the criticalities in research so that your journey becomes smooth and you have a enlightening experience doing your PhD. So, I will be conducting a series of sessions free of cost for all those beginners who are pursuing their PhDs, and even those who want to learn certain data analysis techniques, as I'll be showing you practical demonstrations on softwares, which is basic statistical analysis required to put into your papers, your dissertation, your thesis. But that is something which is the heart of the study. It should make sense and it should be able to answer the research questions laid by you. So look forward to see you all in a preliminary session which I am going to conduct, wherein I will tell you about how to select a topic, what should be the research design, how to frame your research questions and objectives, and how to conduct an effective review of literature. See you all